Good afternoon to everyone. I can see Vedant, Mehek, Imad, Avni, who are there to give their English exam. So this instruction is for the four of you that I'm going to share two links with you. One is of grammar, one is of literature. Fine? You can give your test and you can leave the meeting, or if you want, you can stay back for the zero period. Okay, this is your zero period going on.
Ma'am, I think most of the students will leave the meeting.
Yes, that's their choice. Okay, copy and then where do I paste it? No, not from here. Wait, what I'm supposed to do? Just a minute, hold on, all of you.
Ma'am, first is of English literature grammar.
Yes?
Ma'am, first class is of English literature grammar.
Yes, I know. I'm just sharing your link with you. Now don't panic. What the hell? Children, my signal is so weak today. I don't know what is happening with my laptop.
Ma'am, today you were having how many classes?
All the classes since morning.
So, ma'am, your data is, I think,
Yes,
finished.
it's about to get over. Now let me just see. I have to copy this. Just wait for a minute. How do I do it? I don't understand.
Once again.
Yes. Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Okay.
Open link, copy link address. Okay, copied and then coming on to Zoom. Paste. All right. This is
Ma'am,
one
I
link,
have made
children.
4
Wait,
links.
everybody be quiet. Now nobody will speak. Let me talk to children who have their exam. This is one link that I have shared. All the best to you. Start your exam. I'll be sharing the other one very soon.
Ma'am, this is of English literature.
This is of, yes, that's of English literature.
Ma'am, now can I say what I was seeing?
No, don't say right now. Let me share the other link and then you can say. Okay. The second one is grammar. Okay. Children, is it clear? The first one is of literature and the second one is of grammar. Best of luck. Start your exam. Yes, Summer. Now your turn. Yes, beta, say, Summer.
Ma'am, in organic, I have made a peel of a vegetable.
Yes, so that is what you're supposed to make.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in my there is not the paper is not opening.
Why, beta? Why it is not opening? Rest, other children are able to open it?
No, ma'am.
Why? What is happening?
Ma'am, I cannot open.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, open.
मैम जिसका हो गया है टेस्ट वो उसका नहीं करना है ना?
हाँ, those who have already done, they don't have to do it again. Okay, what is it telling? Is it telling the form English literature is no longer accepting responses? Is it telling this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine, beta. Let me just talk to ma'am. Give me a minute. In that case, just wait for a minute.
Ma'am, English grammar is also not opening.
All right, don't worry. Ma'am will change the settings right now. Teachers have been informed to change the settings. The settings will be shortly changed. There are only 4 students in the class who are giving English exam. Imad, Mehak, Avni and Vedant. Yes or no? Or is there anybody else who is giving the exam, English exam?
No, ma'am. 9 children are giving the test.
No, they have already given. They are attending their 0 period. They're not giving their test.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell me at which time we have to join?
Now children, see, try again. The settings have been opened. And these settings will be closed at 2 o'clock. So hurry up and start giving your test. Now children, has it opened?
Ma'am, please send the link.
Beta, I have sent the link in the chat box. Just try to reopen it. Now it is accepting responses.
Ma'am, because my network
Okay, I'll
I
resend.
disconnected.
I'll resend. Okay. Now this is cleared of this exam. Children are giving their exam. Rest of the children who are here for the zero period. Now, what are we going to do today?
Ma'am, only I am for the zero period.
No, beta. Pratishtha is also there. Divyanshu is there. Anjali is there. And Akshat is there.
Ma'am, Anjali.
Anjali is there. Anjali is not giving her exam. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now see.
ma'am, in my room I was only able to see you and Muhammad Imad. And ma'am, one more child was there.
Okay. Now what you have to
Ma'am,
do. See, children.
Last time
Yes?
the link.
Beta, I have said
Again and
now. Beta, now listen, Vedant. Just take the screenshot. Again and again, you are missing only these links are open till 2 o'clock. They are open only till 2 o'clock, beta. They'll be closed. Just take a screenshot and do this thing, that send it to some other phone. Don't rely on Zoom. Okay, don't sit on Zoom. Just send it to some other phone and do it from there.
ma'am, we can copy. Ma'am, we have to first long press on that. And
Yes,
then
yes.
after
That Anjali
we
has
can
sent.
copy.
Anjali has
There
sent
will
the
be a-
link once again.
Ma'am, Anjali and you have both of you have sent.
Okay, let children do their test. Now let's talk about something.
Whole television set. Television. Ma'am, can you play a game?
What game, children? I think we should not disturb other children who are giving their test, right? Because of our talking, they'll get disturbed. So I'm just going to type a few questions in the chat box. Okay? Just answer them in the best possible way you can. And what you can do is you can simply write the answers. Don't just speak them out.
Ma'am, Vedant is typing in the chat box. Ma'am, please send the link last time. Ma'am, I am sending to Vedant
Yes.
personally. I have sent
Yes,
also.
yes, send it to Vedant personally.
Ma'am, we have to send the answers personally to you or to everyone.
No, you can send it to everyone also. Or you can send it to me personally also.
Okay.
Just write your answer and send. Let me see what you have in your mind.
Ma'am, I will write personally to you.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have sent to you personally.
Okay. So both of you, do you think your answer is correct and up to mark? The question is, read the question once again in your mind. And Pratishta, we are just talking about a different state. You have changed your country only.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Ma'am, I have done the test.
Very nice, Imad. Now you want to stay back for the zero period? Beta, Imad, make sure you have done both of them.
Yes, ma'am, I have done both of them.
Wonderful. Summer, you have not named what state it would be. Akshat and Anjali, where are your answers? Akshat and Anjali, I can't see your answer in the chat box. Summer, I can't see the name of the state. In which state? The question is this.
उसका आंसर लिखना है.
Akshat, what is wrong? Beta, mute yourself.
Ma'am, we have to send in everyone.
Beta, if you want, you can send it to me personally also.
Ma'am, now I have mentioned the states also.
All right, very nice. I'm waiting for other children to answer.
Ma'am, I am about to complete the activity which you gave in the previous period. Ma'am, I have made all the.
Beta, now you have made
okay.
all these things, and when in class you will be there, you will ask me, ma'am, now what do I do? Anna, you'll do this only, na? You do your work in your extra time, and in class you are always asking, ma'am, what do I do?
I would love in. I would.
Ma'am, I have done the paper. Ma'am, I am leaving.
Okay, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, Anjali has written that I would to love in Paris because there are so many bridges.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was saying this only that most of the students will leave. Ma'am, what is that?
Yes, what are you saying? Anjali, which state is Paris? First tell me this. Which?
No, ma'am, it is not the state.
Then what is the question, beta? Read carefully.
Ma'am, Paris is a country
No.
outside our India.
Paris is not a country. Paris is the capital of France. It is a city.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think that you should teach the difference between city, country, and state to
Yes,
Anjali
definitely.
because
Definitely.
he is getting confused.
Summer, I am not he, I am she.
I said she only. Bandages, syringes, needles, medicine. I have Google Baba. Ma'am, why you are recording this zero period?
Ma'am, I done the test.
You have done the test. Okay, beta. Very good. Now, next question. Wait for the next question. I'm just typing it.
Ma'am, by mistake, I have written look before language. Yes. Ma'am, you can my answer in the chat box.
No, beta. This is not an answer. What all? Just one thing. You have written just one thing. What all would you do in a day which is perfect according to you? What all is there that you will do? Just think and answer. Take 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the question? What all
Read
would
it in the
you
chat box,
do
beta.
in a day which is perfect according to you?
Read it in the chat box.
Ma'am, in perfect day also Pratishtha will attend classes.
Yes, she has written her answer, what she thought.
To attend classes. Ma'am, perfect day means the day which is very clear.
Which is very good according to you. A perfect day, like you would want to celebrate, you would want to, what all would you want to do on that particular day, which you will call a perfect day.
You can type in the chat box.
Yes, you have to type the answer in the chat box, Vita.
Ma'am sent.
Okay. What all will you do? Of course, you're going to enjoy your perfect day. That is why you will be calling it your perfect day. Now, how are you going to enjoy it, or what you'll do? You have to tell all that. Just
Okay,
describe
ma'am.
it. Yes. Now, Avni, what are you saying, beta? Don't you think it is a very silly thing that you have done? Now, what will I say to, how will any teacher know that it's your paper? Tell me what I'm supposed to do now. Mute yourself. Who is it?
Ma'am, my younger sister is crying.
Okay. So I have two more answers. No, one more answer. Okay. So Vedant is also saying that he will attend his classes. So whole day you will attend your classes and you will call it your perfect day. Is this what you mean?
Ma'am, I have done
I would never, if anybody would ask me, or if my teacher would have asked me this question, I would have never replied it by taking classes. That means you children like to study so much, huh? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I get tired in these classes only.
Yes,
Then how can
definitely.
we attend classes whole day?
Whole day. Anyways, they like it this way.
Ma'am, my head used to start paining. To attend all the amazing classes for which we have to become in future, eh?
Yes. So what with Summer? Okay.
Ma'am, it's also correct.
Next question. But I can't see Anjali's answer here. Pratishtha, where is your answer? Okay, now everybody has given the test. Now let's talk about these questions. Pratishtha, what is your way? Tell me. Are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am, she is there.
But
Yes,
she's
ma'am,
not
I'm there.
replying. But she is not replying.
Ma'am, are you? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, I have done my activity.
Very nice, wonderful. Now tomorrow, Summer, you're not going to ask me, ma'am, what I will do. Okay, if you ask me this question, I'm going to remove you from the class. Okay, beta? Ready? Pratishta, I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, tell me what is your answer.
Ma'am, the second question you have asked in the chat box.
Yes.
Ma'am, first I have written to attend all the classes, but ma'am, then you have tell that this is not the answer. Ma'am, I was writing, then the time was finished. Ma'am, please excuse me. Ma'am, my brother is speaking. So, ma'am, my time was.
No problem. Okay. If you would ask me my idea of a perfect day, so it's right, it begins right from the moment you wake up. Now, what do you want to do? And you can call it a perfect day. If I will call any day a perfect day, that would be starting up very late. I would wake up very late in the morning. Then, after waking up, after getting fresh and taking my bath and all, I would have my coffee in a very comfortable place. Then, after that, I would be going out somewhere to do something that I like. Maybe it could be shopping, maybe it could be watching a movie or anything like that. And then after that, I would like to go for a good lunch. On my perfect day, I would not want to cook. Okay, I would not want to have homemade food. I would like to watch my favorite movie outside. Okay, then
Ma'am,
after
I
that,
was writing in
yes.
chat box that
So,
ma'am.
so your day should be something like this in which you do things that you feel good about. Study, see, study,
Ma'am,
we
my
daily have to
birthday.
study. It is nothing different,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
On a perfect day, we would do things that we usually don't get to do in our routine life.
Yes, ma'am, like birthday. Ma'am, on birthday we wake up very late. Then ma'am, we take a bath, brush our teeth, and then ma'am, our mother cooks very delicious food. Then
Yes,
we go,
yes.
ma'am. Then after doing that thing, ma'am, excuse me. Yes,
Okay, he's
ma'am.
also
So
Pratishtha.
that,
Your brother is also taking classes.
yes, ma'am, by Ravindra, ma'am of zero period.
Okay. So write down something, think of something that is unusual. That we will include in a perfect day. Studying and all is a part of daily routine. It is nothing perfect. It doesn't make our day perfect. Yes, of course, you can keep studies as a part in your perfect day. But saying that whole day we will study, that's really boring of you all. Now you got? Everybody got my point? Vedant, Samar, Anjali,
Yes, ma'am.
Pratishtha. Yes, now think of something and write. The class is about to get over.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. I'm not ending the class, beta. What is wrong? Children, I have not received any answer. Are you not writing?
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, send it. Oh, very nice. Yes, now that's a good answer. But here I have received only Pratishta's answer. I have to end the class because time is over. Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.